Hi, I'm Brian Koopman. I'm Clark Powell's Service and Quality Assurance Coordinator. Clark Powell is a professional audiovisual system integrator. We provide a full turnkey solution from installation services to project management to design engineering and consultation services to custom programming and then all the way to service. Just because Clark Powell didn't sell you your system doesn't mean that we can't service it. We're here today to talk about our different service level agreements. We have 4 here at Clark Powell. The first one is going to be our standard 90-day system warranty. It comes with every project that we sell and install and program. It's kind of like a grace period per se that gives you 90 days to get all the kinks and quirks and to reach out and let us know if you have any issues with it. Our next SLA is going to be our Clark Powell support hours. These hours are sold in blocks of hours. The more hours you buy, the better of a discounted rate you get. Our third service level agreement is going to be our Clark Powell Assurance Program. This comes with unlimited service callouts, 2 preventive maintenance per year, access to our 24/7 help desk, and 2-day response time if reported before 10 a.m. Our last SLA is going to be our CP Assurance Plus program that comes with unlimited service callouts, access to our 24/7 help desk, and it's going to have 4 preventive maintenance per year, and then next day on-site support if reported before 10 a.m. the day before. And our goal here at Clark Powell is to keep your systems operating at peak performance, and we really look forward to working with you guys. Thanks.